Hello everyone, welcome to part 33 of Dating Systematic Website in Laravel 5.6 and 5.7. And in this video, we are going to work on photo albums of the user. Okay, you have seen the last video we able to add the content here in profile of the user, and we able to do that default photo as well. Means whatever photo the user has added as a default, that photo will appear here in his profile as well as here at home page and also at other pages that we are going to make in future videos. Okay, so now we are going to show some kind of photo album so that if the user is adding 4 5 images, 7 8 10 15 images, then one photo slider script we can able to load, and so that it will look good. Means his photo album, his profile will look good. It will look attractive by it. Okay. So in this video, we are going to search some photo slider from the internet, some photo pop-up script, exactly some photo pop-up script that in jQuery that we are going to embed in our dating website. And also, we are going to increase the fonts. Fonts are very small and it is not readable. So fonts I also increase right now. Okay, so these things we are going to do. So let's start working on. So first of all, I want to search for the script. Okay, okay, let's search the keyword like photos pop-up script. Okay, so let's search the keyword like this one, and then you can open this first link. You can open smashing magazine. Okay, this is the first link that you can open. So after opening this link, then I have seen some of the jQuery plugins, and I this is not looking so much good, but I like the plugin that we are going to do now. That is come down. I will tell you the plugin that I have found to be really good. I am going to search for that plugin. It's something like Trip. Yeah, this is the plugin, TripTracker plugin. It looks really wonderful. Okay, so lot of commands are there. This plugin comes with lot of command. You can forward, you can play this slideshow. Okay, so lot of commands are there. You can use this plugin. You just simply need to click on this one. You can see in video description as well. If you are not able to get the link, you can see in video description and copy the links that I have pasted here. And if you want, you can do some other plugin as well. It's your own choice. Okay, uh, so but this is the plugin that we are going to use. Okay, so let's open front design.blade.php file. I am going to add this plugin, or let's do some font. Means fonts are not looking good, so let's update the fonts first. Okay, this is the third step in the video description, you can see, but I am going to do in the first step. Okay, so in the layout.css, here are the font. I am going to increase these fonts. Okay, I can try with various fonts. First you can inspect here the font. You can inspect here first, and it is the better way to increase the font. You can click on any of the any of the content and click on inspect. After that you can do like this. Also you can simply search and you can then inspect. Click on inspect. Okay, here you can see here are the font under body, and you can increase it like this. Okay, see it looks you can increase it like this, and this is the height. Okay, you can increase like this, so it looks good. Okay, so like this you can increase the font. Okay, like I have done 14 pixel, 22 pixel. Now it is looking really good, really better. Okay, so you can do like this. Okay, you can update the fonts like this, and okay, so simply you can make it a little bit less, and here also you can make it 13 pixel. Okay, it's your choice. 12 pixel you can make. Okay, so this entirely your choice. The fonts, okay. Okay, so you can also increase the size of the image. Okay, so let's open layout.css, and here you can set the fonts. I am going to make it 14 pixel and going to make it some 20 pixel. Okay, here you can even add 13 pixel is fine. It's your choice that how much you want to add. Okay, so that is fine. I am going to increase the size of the image as well. Okay, so that we can show here. Okay, so I'm going to open that page, profile.blade.php file. Okay, here I'm going to see the image, and here is the image. Okay, so here we can increase the width and height of the image according to our requirement. And here, if I will increase the width here, okay, and remove the height, okay, because height can be added proportionately, so we can do it like this. Yeah, now it looks better, and uh, more you can add 210. Yes. Okay, so here you can also reduce. Okay, so let's copy that script like I have told you here. So this is the script that we want to amend. So here you can see the script slide.js. That js script we are going to add in our front design that file. So let's add it at the bottom of the script. You can add uh, and better way to add this script, you can save this script on your end, so that if the website is not available, then it will stop working. So it's always better to keep this script offline at your end in your JS files. Okay, so means you can just simply uh, every time you can call from your own folder, and it will increase the page load time. Okay, so you can add it. Right now I am adding like this, and this is the uh, slideshow that we need to add in our profile.blade.php file. Here I am going to add at last. Okay, so here one more strong I'm going to add, and inside this I am going to add this script. I will make it dynamic. Okay, so first I will add like this. I'm going to make this one dynamic as well. Okay, so simply copy paste this one. Okay, so here I will do like style float uh, right. Okay, so slideshow, here I will write photo album. I know nothing will come, only link will come for now. Okay, so here this link has come. Okay, so you can place it for some of the elements, or we can reduce here the size 12 pixel, and here we can make it 16 pixel, and you can see, yeah, 13 pixel. Now it looks better. Okay, so now you can see here the position has come here, photo album. Okay, so now we need to means first I will show it. We are going to copy this image path here, and we'll see that whether it is coming fine or not. I'm going to copy this one and we'll paste it here. Okay, so that it will come fine. Here I'm going to paste it. Okay, so let's paste here like this, and here we can do like this, and here we can do get user photo. Okay, okay, then we can check here. I will click here and nothing is appearing right now as the path is not correct, and there is also issue I think with the script itself. So we are going to see. We can remove this one, it's not required. Now we can see at the top, and first I'm going to put the default, okay, so that we can check with the default image whether it is coming fine or not. See, it is coming fine, the default image is coming fine. Okay, so we can here use one more image. We can use like this one, so that we can check here this one, and here the similar path I'm going to do, but I'm going to like this, and here we will pick the several images. Okay, first we are going to see statically it is working fine or not, and I'm going to refresh here and see here photo album. See, now it is working fine. Okay, you can able to see that script is working fine here. Okay, 3 1 2 3. Okay, so PNG it is not supporting, that is the issue. So we will only do JPG, but now we are going to make the script dynamic, and for dynamic we will add the same condition, same for each condition that we have added here for photos, and we are going to add it here. Okay, because this thing we are going to repeat again and again, and we are going to remove another viewer, and here we are going to add and for each like this. Okay, so here we have added this one, this condition we have added, and we need to make sure that everything is working fine. And this one, first of all, let's try that image must still come. Yeah, image is still coming. Same image will repeat here because all the images are coming repeating again and again. So here we need to show the image dynamically. So what we are going to do here, I'm going to delete this one, and we'll add the PHP condition here. And let's see PHP and go. Then after that, user details will come. Detail, then photos. Okay, photos, insert photos, then dollar key, and in this dollar key, then photo again like this. Okay, so this is where we are going to end. So now it must work. Let's see. See, now it is coming. It is coming fine. Okay, now you can see that the script is working fine now. You able to means see the other pictures as well. Okay, you can able to close it as well. You can able to open it as well. You can click on play as well. Okay, it will automatically play. Okay, so now the script you have seen that is working fine, and we can add more images from the admin panel. Okay, so you can simply add the more images from the admin panel. I'm going to open the Firefox browser. Here we can't open the admin here like we have done in e-commerce panel. Here we will also do something in the same way like we have done in e-commerce. We will add the new folder for the for the admin, new table for the admin. So here I'm going to open the admin. Okay, and going to add more images. Oh, sorry, admin is not required. We can add the images simply from here. Okay, so admin is not required at all. And 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so we can simply go to the user profile and can add the images for the user. More images we can add. So here 2 more images we can add. I am going to add this one. A photo.jpg is already there, but we want another jpg image. I'm going to add photo and images, and I want some big size image, and tools you can see the sizes here. You can see, and large image I want some dummy image. Okay, I'm going to add this one, and this one is not looking good. This one I'm going to add. Okay, so that save images. I'm going to add a dummy like this. Okay, so here you can see, yeah, now it is looking fine. So this image I'm going to add. I'm going to use this one and submit. Okay, so now 3 images will be there, and I am going to make it active from the database itself. Okay, so let's open the database and active, make this image active. So yeah, open it, and you can open that user underscore photos table and make this image active. Okay, so simply make this active, and now you can refresh once again. Okay, so now we can check here. Now this photo has been added. Now the 3 photos are there, and you can even make the default pic. This one you can make it default as well. Okay, so there is no default pic so far. Okay, so you can make this default pic. Okay, so you have made this default pic as well. I am not sure that this functionality is working fine. See, this is the default pic. Default pic has been added here as well, and now see the default pic here as well. Okay, now I'm going to open, but it will show all the images now, and you can click here and we'll see. Then second image has come. Now the third image also must come here. See, the third image has also come. Okay, so now it is working fine. We can check with other commands as well. I am not sure that the working of the other commands, what it do exactly. Link. Okay, this is means if you want to go the means you want to open the link of the image, then it will come. Okay, so you can even click manually. Okay, and you can click it like this, and by clicking on this one it will take you to first image. Like if I'm right now on the last image, and if you are going to click on this first symbol, it will take to the home image. Okay, so it will show you previous image. It will play the slider. Okay, slideshow you are going to get, and it will move you to the next image, and it will move you to the last image. Okay, so it is going to email photo. If you want to email this photo to someone, then you can click on here, and this one is the link of the photo if you want to open the link of the photo, and this one is for close. Okay, so we able to embed this third party photo album script here in our profile. Okay, and now in next video we will do something more. I hope that everything is clear to you, and these are the means script. This is the script that we have used. Okay, so it's always better to use this script offline. So simply you need to save this script. You can open this script like this. Okay, and then you can simply uh, control S here. Okay, and save the script in your desktop. Okay, and then cut the script here. From here you can cut the script. You can simply cut the script and paste it in your folder, public folder. Okay, you can paste it in front end JS, and here you can paste it here, and from here you can simply call this script. Okay, then you just need to update here like you have done here in another script, like in the same way you need to do here as well, and here we are going to add that thing. Okay, so here we are going to add this slide.js. Okay, so in this way we can copy this script in our means we can anytime, it will be always available if our server is working fine, but from third party we are always having risk that if sometime it stop working, third party link stop working, then it can create issue. So it's always better to keep the script offline at your end. Okay, after this uh, thing as well, this it will work fine. You can see it is working fine. Okay, so now you can click anywhere and close this one as well. Okay, so I hope that it's clear to you, and you can able to do this, and always increase the font size. Now it looks better than before. Okay, so you can increase the font size as well at your end. Okay, so in next video we will do more. Till then, have a nice time. Goodbye.